ever pondered how minimalism can transform your home and simplify your life? Today, let's delve into minimalist habits that not only make your living space cleaner but also enhance your overall well-being. Ready to declutter and embrace a simpler lifestyle? Let's skip the usual intros and jump right into the essence of the matter. Tip 1. Entryway organization. As you step inside, swiftly organize shoes, coats, and bags, ensuring a serene and clutter-free evening. Tip 2. Efficient task clearing. Boost your productivity by combining related activities, such as wiping down appliances and running the dishwasher, streamlining your routine, and reducing mental clutter. Tip 3. Keep a running shopping list to avoid impulsive purchases, ensuring you buy only what you need for groceries, household items, and wardrobe essentials. Tip 4. Say no to bulk buying. Prioritize quality over quantity, steering away from overstocking to adopt a more intentional and sustainable approach. Tip 5. Clear floors, clear minds. Elevate belongings off the ground for psychological benefits, making cleaning more straightforward and rooms appear more spacious. Tip 6. Weekly kitchen spruce up. Dedicate 20 minutes each week to enhance the cleanliness of your kitchen, addressing tasks beyond daily routines for a consistently well-maintained space. Tip 7. Native gardens. Extend minimalist principles to your outdoor space with native plants or low-maintenance alternatives, offering a sustainable and visually appealing solution. Tip 8. Embrace fresh air and natural light. Regularly open windows to invite freshness and natural light, contributing to a cleaner atmosphere and elevating the overall mood of your home. In conclusion, these 8 minimalist habits pave the way for a cleaner, more organized home and a simplified lifestyle. Embrace minimalism to create a space that is visually appealing and conducive to a calm and focused mindset. Which tip are you eager to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, embrace the simplicity. Goodbye.